English essay. Discipline. In the very beginning, man used to live in caves, like animals. Then he learned to live in groups, where certain rules and regulation were formed. These rules and regulation have followed by man up till now. Man has formed great civilization with the help of these rules. We call these rules and regulation as discipline. Life without discipline is inconceivable and absurd. Even God has enforced discipline in this universe. Discipline starts from early childhood. In the life of every person, a child gets milk on certain fixed time. Even if he cries, he will not get milk. Because discipline says that milk should be given on the proper time. Then he grows, certain other do's and don'ts are placed on his head. In the school life, he is conditioned by discipline for future life. When he joins some vocational institution, he has to face more and more rules and regulation. This shows that discipline is like a shadow, which will remain with man from birth till death. In defense services, discipline becomes their backbone. A man who weeps on his cut finger is ready to sacrifice his life happily for his country. Which magic compels people to sacrifice his life for others? It's the magic of discipline. If we look the nature, we will see discipline spread throughout the universe. The earth, the stars, the moon and every other body are moving in disciplined fashion. If we look deeply, we will see that nature is more disciplined than man. Discipline is very important in this world. We, in Pakistan, are a backward nation. To compete with other countries, we must follow discipline. It is discipline only which has taken man from caves and placed him on the moon. Discipline will open ways of glory for us, if we become servant to discipline. Even Quaid Azam always preached discipline and he led perfectly a disciplined life. He says, unity, faith and discipline.